On Wednesday, a two-day national-level continuing medical education program was officially inaugurated at a hotel in Agartala, organized by the Regional Research Institute of Homoeopathic Agartala. The event was launched by Dr. Tapan Majumder, Principal of Agartala Government Medical College, and Dr. Pralay Bhowmik, Director of the National Homoeopathic Research Centre. A significant highlight of this two-day national program was the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the Regional Homoeopathic Research Centre and AGMC. This partnership aims to enhance medical services for patients with kidney-related ailments, specifically focusing on treatments that do not require dialysis. Attendees included Dr. Ratan Sil, in charge of the Regional Homoeopathic Research Centre, Khorang, Dr. Shrimani Devarma, in charge of the Agartala Regional Cancer Hospital, and resources persons.
Medicine is constantly evolving and staying updated with the latest advancement. Evidence-based practices and emerging technologies are not just important, these are essential. This CME program is designed to enhance our knowledge, refine our clinical skills, and ultimately improve the quality of care we provide to our patients. We are privileged to have with us an esteemed panel of speakers who are experts in their respective fields. They have generously taken time out of their busy schedules to share their knowledge and experiences with us. I am confident that their insight will stimulate thoughtful discussion and practical learning. I also take this opportunity to thank our respected Director General, Dr. Subhash Kaushik, Deputy Director General, Dr. Sunil Ramteke, Assistant Director, Dr. K.C. Muralidharan, Dr. Manas Ranjan Sarangi, Nodal Officer of RRIH Agartala, Dr. Varanasi Rosa, Scientist for CCRH Headquarters, and others for their constant support and motivation in arranging this program.
Today we have on the dais the Director of NIH, Dr. Pralay Bhowmik, and also Scientist 4, who has come all the way from South, I think, Dr. G.R. our Medical Superintendent of ABB-RCC, Dr. Shrimani Devarma, and our own Dr. Ratan Sil from our Regional Research Institute of Homoeopathy. At the outset, I thank the organizer, and at the same time I feel privileged and honored to be here to inaugurate this session. As our previous speakers also have emphasized, you know that the 21st century or this millennium, we have two important challenges. At one end, the young death. Most of the people are dying from the age group of 30 to 50, and all of them are mostly the victim of sudden death as a consequence of metabolic syndrome. And on the other side, the life expectancy has increased a lot now. So as a result of this, chronic diseases are on the rise. So to combat these chronic diseases, we need an integrated approach, or so-called a holistic approach. Otherwise, fully depending on one system of medicine, I think is not sufficient to manage these diseases in a proper way. So towards achieving this, I think this type of CME is the need of the hour. And as you know that CME is not just an academic exercise. This is our professional responsibility also. We must update ourselves because the science is even, especially the science related to healthcare delivery system, is very rapidly evolving. The newer evidences, newer concepts, newer diagnostic approaches, constantly changing the therapeutic protocols actually compel us to get updated, and this is the best forum from where we update ourselves through this.
Medical College, Professor Tapan Majumder. He happens to be from modern science, and his presence out here that actually reflects the collaborative mind and actually reflects the respect for each and every system of medicine in the country. We also do have the medical superintendent, Dr. Shrimani Dev Verma sir. So your presence once again, it reflects that unitedly in the health sector, we can achieve many of the achievements in your future by our collaboration with the each and every system, whatever existing in our country today. We do have in the dais, we have Dr. G. R.C. Reddy sir. He traveled a long way, I believe, sir, and you have graced this occasion. We do have with us very dynamic personality and happens to be the alumnus of our National Institute of Homeopathy, Dr. Ratan Chandrashil. His dynamicity possibly that brought today this conference, this CME program today. Because to conduct a CME is not an easy job. In fact, the CME, whatever we do this in the name of the CME, we really want to upgrade it ourselves all the time. Whatever happening across the country, across the globe, we want to make it updated. That is the reason we are out here. I also do find many of my seniors, they are sitting there. Many of my juniors of my own institute, they are working in the state level or working in the Central Research Council out here. Also find the distinguished guest from the ministry. We do have a very love and affectionate junior, Dr. Ramesh Prasad from Central Research Council out here. Joto naam bolbo, kichu naam baat korbe, koma korbe. Whatever endeavor I make to utter the name and to address you, some name will be missing. I also find some senior from other college, Calcutta Homoeopathic Medical College, Dada is sitting there. A little bit afraid to talk about this conference today because you all guided me, whatever I am today. I believe that this 2 days seminar, what we have been called out here, will be very successful one. And we will be, the resource person will be delivering their speech out here and will be learning whatever they deliver. The most significantly, what I want to say is that this seminar should be the interactive way. You are sitting there, you can talk yourself and you can exchange views because you need to get updated right now. So in short, what I like to focus is the CME program is a program where each and every individual who are committed for the healthcare system, they will be upgraded with the knowledge. The topic itself signifies that how we can be upgraded, how we will be filling our gap to get our more knowledge. That fill in the blanks job will be done within this 2 days conference of the same seminar. From my part, from my institute, you all know that our institute is located at Kolkata. This has been called as the National Institute of Homeopathy, where we do have a 100-bedded hospital. And very gladly what I would like to announce that daily footfalls of the patient that reaches 4,000 patients in a day. You can compare with other institutions, and I'm not here to compare this. But you can believe and you can understand what quality of the treatment we do render to the public. And our institute is committed for the healthcare system. And we are also committed understanding the need of intervention by homeopathy for tackling the rapidly growing non-communicable diseases. If you go through the global picture, you find that non-communicable disease is growing day by day because of our life expectancy has increased, because our quality of life, in maintenance of the quality of life, we have missed our legacy, our tradition we have missed. we take overfood, we do not do exercise. All this has led to invitation of the communicable diseases. The good part of communicable diseases is that some of the diseases can be modified and some of the diseases cannot be modified. And those diseases which cannot be modified, that does have a complication. And we have to minimize the complication. That is what we are here today. I believe this 2-day seminar will go well. Each of us will understand new arena, how to treat, how to investigate, how to make an early diagnosis of the non-communicable diseases. With this view, with all respect from my side, from my institute side.
Pure report, Chini Khorang.